hallelujah, 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 shalom. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching this video. I promise to teach you this bitter leaf and sea salt work. Now, what I want you to do first and foremost is look through my channel properly. Look through my TikTok page properly. Look through my Instagram page properly. You will not find me doing these sort of videos where I will say you use leaves or whatever. So whenever I have the message, it comes directly, okay, from the celestial realm, the realm of the angels. Yes, they are the one that teach me this kind of thing directly. I did not copy from any book or anything or from anybody, because it's not even my line actually. So if you look at my work, you will not see this kind of thing there. So when I bring it to you, you will know that it is direct, right? And it works for Favour. This one works for Favour. This one is live and direct. I gave it to someone that is close to me. The very first time I got this work, the person did it. I did it myself. We've done it before, a couple of times. Even on my Instagram page, I've taught them before. But I'm bringing it to my YouTube family now. Hello. Okay, let's go. So what you want to do, right? You want to get yourself fresh bitter leaves, okay? If you can get from like 16 and above, okay? Fresh bitter leaves, 16 and above, okay? Then you're going to squeeze it, rub it together like as if you're washing it. Please don't blend it. Don't blend it. A good way to do, you can put it inside the sieve after rinsing the leaves. You now use your sieve to rub it. You rub it inside your sieve. Okay, you rub it inside your sieve so that you can shred up. You understand? So use water anyway to wash it properly. You see that very first water that you get? Please keep it aside. Sieve it very well. You need to sieve that water very well and then keep it aside. Then you now rinse the leaf one more time. Do it one more time, okay? Then you now do it at least another time. So that will be 3 times. The very first washing, okay? And then 2 more times to rinse the leaf. Now, how are you going to do it? Just a pinch of salt is needed. Don't put too much salt. So like 3 or 4, maximum of 7 crystals of sea salt. Maximum 7. Because you know, sea salt doesn't dissolve easily inside cold water. You're going to first of all dissolve it in some hot water. When you do that, you're going to then add it to the water, the bitter leaf water. Now, you know, I told you that the very first washing, keep it aside. So you add some of that salt water to it. The second one that I said is the second and third rinsing. You add some of it to it. Now, that very first one that you get is the major one. You will pray your psalms inside it, please. Pray your psalms for Favour inside it. If you don't know the Favour psalms, please click the link anywhere in my bio, anywhere in this video, in the description, anywhere, caption, anything. Click the link to take you to where you can get the psalms, okay? But I'll drop one for you that you can use, Psalm 24 and Psalm 5. All right, you can use that to pray for Favour. Then you will say, after the bitterness of this bitter leaf is always sweetness. Do you realize that when you eat bitter leaf, when you taste it, after a while, there's one aftertaste. It's not so bitter anymore. So after the struggles you've been facing, the promise and fail, the lack of favor, the bad luck, whatever you know that you don't want in your life that you've been facing, you now ask God to bring that sweetness now into your life. Do you understand that? So you're going to pray that very well. When you finish praying that, you take the waters into your bath. I said the waters, the first washing water and the second set, okay? You will now take your bath normally. Just take it normally as you like. Then you rinse your body normally as you like. Now, you will now use the bitter leaf water to rinse down your body. Okay? This to rinse down your body very well. This work is best done at night. Best done at night as the last thing before you sleep. Now, please, if you're someone that your skin is always sensitive, right, you need to rinse off after like 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off. Otherwise, when you use the very first water to rub into your body and use the second set of the washing of the bitter leaf water to rinse your body, you're gonna go to bed like that. You understand? Okay, that's a normal process. Just go to that like that. In the morning tomorrow when you wake up, you're gonna take your bath as normal. But if you know you have sensitive skin, please leave it for just like 5, 7, 10 minutes and rinse off completely with warm water. I pray to God for you and I that in this month of August we're going to experience divine favor like no other, and that God is going to be with us in everything that we are doing. I'm going to see favor. See, the person that did this one the last time, she wanted to go and see a chairman, local government chairman somewhere. I will not tell you where it is. And she did it the night before. And when she got it the following day, she read Favour. Unprecedented Favour. Unprecedented Favour. Like, she was so wild. You understand? So I know that it works with your faith by the power of God. So till I come your way with another solution, it is bye for now. But one thing I want you to know is that I don't bring trash, because my work is not even under leaves at all. My work is under the word. If you observe my page very well. So what I want you to do is keep on liking, reposting, commenting, and if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so to help us push our work. Bye for now and God bless you.